Hey. So, let's get real for a second. Have you ever felt like you're running in place? You work hard, get that paycheck, and poof, it's gone. Bills, groceries, that unexpected coffee run sound familiar? If you're stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you're not alone. But the good news? You don't have to stay there forever. Stick around because today we're diving into 5 easy ways to finally break free from that trap. Step 1. Understand your money mindset. This is not as hard as you think. We all have that inner voice guiding how we manage money. For some, it's telling them, you deserve this, or live in the moment. For others, it's all about worrying. What if something goes wrong? But here's the catch. Your mindset shapes your financial reality. So let's flip the script. Instead of thinking, I'm stuck, ask yourself, how can I improve? Start by tracking your spending. Simple, right? Grab a notepad or an app and write down every expense. Even that latte you grabbed on the way to work counts. Once you see where your money is really going, you'll be surprised. Understanding your habits is the first step in gaining control. Think of it like tracking your calories. Once you know what's coming in and going out, you can make better choices. Step 2, build a budget that works for you. I know. The word budget might sound like a dirty word to some of you. But trust me, a good budget is your best friend if you want to escape the paycheck to paycheck trap. The key here is to create a budget that's realistic and flexible. Start with the basics. Income, what's coming in each month. Essential expenses, rent, bills, food, transportation, insurance, etc. Non-essential expenses, entertainment, dining out, that extra pair of shoes you didn't really need. Now, the trick is to assign a specific amount for each category. You don't need to be a financial genius to do this. Just make sure you're not spending more than you earn. And here's a golden nugget. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Easy, right? Step 3. Set clear financial goals. You can't hit a target if you don't know where it is, right? Let's get specific. For example, are you saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or perhaps paying off that credit card debt that keeps haunting you? Whatever your goal is, make it clear, measurable, and achievable. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, say, I want to save $500 in the next 3 months. This turns your goal from a vague wish into something tangible and actionable. And don't forget to track your progress. Celebrate those mini victories along the way. It'll keep you motivated and, hey, it'll make those steps feel a lot more fun. Step 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. This is where the magic happens. Let's face it, most of us spend money on stuff we don't even remember buying. That impulse buy in the checkout aisle? The monthly subscription you forgot about? It adds up. So, here's a fun challenge. For the next 30 days, go on a spending fast. Yes, a fast. Cut out all non-essential expenses and see how much money you can save. If you don't need it, don't buy it. And don't worry, we're not talking about sacrificing everything. Just the things that don't really bring you value or joy. You'll be amazed at how much extra cash you have at the end of the month. Step 5. Create additional income streams. Let's talk about making money work harder for you. You don't need to quit your day job to start a side hustle. Think about it. Can you freelance, tutor, or even sell items you no longer need? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even selling on eBay or Etsy can help you bring in some extra cash. Maybe it's as simple as babysitting or walking dogs. The goal here is to diversify your income so you're not relying solely on your paycheck to get by. And guess what? This can be fun. Imagine having money coming in from multiple places, even when you're sleeping. And here's a bonus tip. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, right? Whether it's an unexpected medical bill or your car breaks down, having an emergency fund means you won't have to dip into credit cards or loans to cover those surprise costs. Start by aiming for $1,000 and work your way up to 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This is your safety net, and trust me, once you have it, you'll feel way more secure in your financial life. So, There you have it, 5 simple but powerful ways to escape the paycheck to paycheck trap. Remember, it's all about understanding your mindset, budgeting smartly, setting goals, cutting back on unnecessary spending, and creating additional income streams. It might take some time, but trust me, you've got this. And here's the thing, you don't have to be perfect. Life's all about progress, not perfection. So take it step by step, and soon enough, you'll start feeling more in control of your money than ever before. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money and investments. And hey, leave a comment below with your number 1 tip for escaping the paycheck to paycheck cycle. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your finances strong and your mindset even stronger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.